Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making okra soup. I already have okra soup with vegetable oil in this channel. Today I'm going to be making okra soup with palm oil. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. All I'm using for this recipe is okra, palm oil, smoked fish, shrimps, grounded crayfish, locust beans which is also known as iru, black pepper which is also known as Cameroon pepper, salt, 1 Maggi cube, water, beef and stock. As you can see, I've started cooking my beef. On this channel, I have how to cook beef. Please check that video out to know how I cook my beef. I'm going to be using this beef stock water for the okra soup. Now I'm going to add my shrimps. I will add my shredded fish. Then put my locust beans. I will add 2 tablespoons of grounded crayfish. Then pour the oil inside. I will add 1 teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, then stir it round. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. It's up to 10 minutes now. I'll pour in the okra, then stir it round. I'll pour 1 cup of water inside, then stir it round. I'll add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 Maggi cube, then stir it round. I'll leave it to simmer for 5 minutes. So guys, it's up to 5 minutes now. I'll stir it round for the last time. This is the end result of how I cooked my palm oil okra soup. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.